Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks for You. Today in this video I will show you how to rotate your monitor or laptop screen by using some keyboard keys. So before start the video, I request you subscribe my channel because I uploaded daily tips and tricks videos for you. So let's begin the video. You see here some keys to rotate your screen. Simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus right side arrow key to rotate 90 degrees right, and to rotate as well as 90 degrees left you simply need to press Ctrl plus Alt plus left side arrow key. And after this, if you want to bottom down flip upside down your screen, then simply press Ctrl Alt plus down arrow key. You see here, and when you try these three and you want to get back your normal screen, so simply press Ctrl Alt plus upside for normal landscape view. So in this way you are able to rotate your screen by using some keys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.